How to find your live events on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your live events on TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok application on your phone. Once you are in your profile, just click on those three lines up there and click on setting and privacy. In here you can scroll down and click on live events. Wait for a second and this is your live events on TikTok app. Now all you need to do is just you're gonna find all your registered live events. Like you see, I don't have any live on this TikTok account, so this is why I have no registered live events in here. You're gonna find on instead for this, you're gonna find a list of your live events. Hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe and like.